Hi everyone! Today I wanted to show you how Visit Japan Web works. So this website is basically to use when you want to go to Japan, especially for a vacation, for a trip, and in case you don't need a visa, like if you are from any European country, European Union country. It's a very easy website from the Japanese government to enter all your information. If you do that a few times before your vacation, like a few weeks, even a few months ago, if you already have the information needed, you can, when you arrive at the airport in Japan, skip some of the queue. So sometimes it's very full. I had that last year when I went to Fukuoka and Kyushu. And sometimes if you have filled it before, you can skip a bit the line. So here I've already entered my detailed information, so it's basically my passport and any info about me, like if I'm already living in Japan or if I'm visiting Japan. Then you can enter the details of family members traveling with you, so basically for me it would be no one. So I would be, I think, not doing anything. Yeah, back to home. Here you have to indicate the day and time you will arrive and the day and time you will return. Because basically if you are visiting Japan as a tourist without visa, you cannot say I arrive and I don't know when I will go back. You have to take the trip to go there and to go back to your home country. So let's begin. Okay, it was my previous trips, so some time ago. I need to create a new one. Proceed. I'm not going to copy details because I will go to another region. So, trip name. I will say autumn trip Japan 2016. Well, it's a bit okay. Planned arrival date in Japan. So it will be the day you arrive in Japan, not like the day you are taking your first flight if you are going to do some changeover. So I will indicate the date. I hope I'm not doing mistakes. In case you do some mistakes, as long as it's before your arrival, at least 6 hours before, you can change the information. So no need to worry, nothing will happen. Airline company name, I have to check on booking.com because I don't remember basically. It should be, is it Air China? Let me check. So, China Airlines, not Air China. China Airlines. I cannot find it. Maybe it exists under another name. I have to enter the first letters. China Cargo. Oh no, it's here. China Airlines. Yeah, okay. Flight number. The main flight number. So, doesn't work. X. Numbers only. Okay. So where can I find that? I don't remember. Yeah, so here I am putting the number of the last flight, the one arriving in Japan. And as embarkation, point of embarkation, I'm mentioning where I come from. So the first plane in Europe. Okay, then you have to indicate your first accommodation in Japan, which means the hotel, Airbnb, friend's place, whatever you will sleep at during the first nights after you arrived. So I have to be careful with the postal code here. In Japan it's always a bit difficult sometimes. 401 here. Prefecture is Okinawa. City is, it's Naha, I think. It's Matsuo. So you have to be correct. choosing the city. It's now, sorry. Hotel name, I will put the name from the website. Maybe not in Japanese, maybe in Roman letters. It would be easier for everyone, for me especially. So basically you copy paste from your accommodation email reservation. Here it was automatically in capital letters corrected. Phone number, Japanese phone number. Yes, I do have one. I'm lucky today. It could be also a line number, an email, let's say, that don't have any number. Hyphen not required. Okay, good. It's easier so. So in Okinawa Ken, I think. Naha, the address. Checking the address again. Okay. So you are, I did like a spelling mistake, let me correct that, otherwise it looks stupid. So you can check your information, you can again modify if you did some mistake. So this is me, link visa, I don't have any visa. You have to confirm your health condition, so basically do you feel unwell? No, I feel good. Some airport they will check your temperature at the airport to check if you have fever, just for your info. I'm on my way to finish that in due time. So back to entry, return procedure, immigration clearance. Okay. And then I will access a QR code. So here I will indicate if I am transporting any goods that need some special authorization, like some amount of jewelry, of money, of whatever. They will also remind me what I'm not supposed to have with me, like drugs, like living items, plants, whatsoever. So I will declare that. I will declare basically that I don't transport anything stupid. Okay, good. Here it's correct. Here also. Purpose of visit, very important, be careful. Here I will be doing tourism. Even if I'm visiting some friends or whatever, tourism is my purpose. I don't need a visa because I am from an European Union country. Duration of stay in days. So here I have to sum up the day I arrive and the day I will be leaving Japan, not counting the day I will be in the plane because I'm not in Japan yet. So let me check my calendar. It's for sure less than 90 days, because 90 days, if you stay from 91 days and more, you need a visa, even if you are from Europe. So let me check. So 17 days. Again, you can change later if you did a mistake. So here, have you ever been deported, under arrest, denied entry, whatever? No. Guilty in criminal case? Serious stuff? No. Are you bringing prohibited items? No. It's crazy what people might transport. Plants. You are not allowed to transport meat, seeds, plants, even vegetable and fruits. So if you have apples in your bags, just throw them away before the border control. In a garbage bin, for sure. Nope. Gold bullion. Oh, I would love to, but I don't. I'm not going to. Exceeding duty-free allowance. So here you have to take care how many alcohol or liquids you transport, cigarettes. Like let's say in a duty-free you bought 5 bottles of whiskey for your friends. You have to declare that you're not supposed to go through the border without informing the people there. So no, I'm not. Okay. Commercial good, no, not at all. Any items requiring whatever, without letting you know the reason. Don't transport stuff from people that you don't know. for sure. Cash exceeding 1 million yen. 1 million yen is a good amount of money, so check how many cash you have, but usually you don't have so much. Separately baggage, like through carrier transport. No, I'm not. Okay, so you check your information. I'm traveling alone, la la li, 7 days, 17 days, and True and correct. Again, as long as you have time before you travel, when you are doing that, you can correct the information later. So I will register my profile, and if I need to check later, I will do that. Then you will get the QR code, and I advise you to do a screenshot of that, because it might happen even if you have some subscription from your smartphone for Japan, to visit Japan. It might be that you don't have any access to the internet in the airport for some reason, or because you are tired and you don't remember how to activate it or whatever. So just do a screenshot, do it safe, then you will arrive. Even tired, you will be able to show your screenshot, and that would be fine. And again, if everything was correct in the QR code, in the formula, you don't have any trouble. Sometimes you have to wait a bit queuing up, like up to 40 minutes, sometimes more.